Hi everyone, welcome back to the world of technical analysis. In last video, we discussed using the moving average to trade with the KuCoin trading interface. In this video, we will discuss a new term, the Relative Strength Index (RSI), which can predict the market sentiment. Subscribe to our KuCoin YouTube channel and smash the bell button to follow our future updates. So let's find out. So let's look at today's table of content. We will discuss three topics. Firstly, I will give you a brief introduction of Relative Strength Index (RSI. Then, I will tell you how to understand this new term, since there are many ways to interpret the RSI, but only three aspects of RSI are very important in terms of crypto trading. Finally, in the end, I will show you how to apply this indicator to the KuCoin trading interface. So what is Relative Strength Index? Normally, it is a commonly used indicator. Many technical traders use it, no matter if it is in a stock exchange or forex. Theoretically, it is a momentum indicator which can show the price's acceleration. However, to me, it is just an index which can predict market sentiment. RSI can show the price's degree of change. If the primary trend is bullish, we can know how fast this bullish trend will proceed. Also, with the help of RSI, we can figure out two extreme cases during the crypto trading: overbought and oversold. These two new terms are very accessible to understand. Overbought is the hint to sell and oversold is a signal to buy. We will discuss these two in detail in the next slide. Last, RSI can explain the divergence between the prices and RSI itself, which is important since it is related to the trade. And what does this Relative Strength Index tell us about crypto trading? In this part, we will only focus on three domains: overbought, oversold, and the divergence between the prices and the RSI itself. Let's first talk about overbought. There are two important data in the Relative Strength Index. One is 30, the other is 70. It won't bother you to know how these data are calculated. You just need to figure out that when the RSI rises above the 70, the price is under the condition of overbought. Normally, this signal appears near the high point in the primary trend, so you can see that many technical traders short near the signal overbought. However, it is not sensible to enter the market each time this signal shows. Considering this signal, you'd better identify more reliable reversal market signals, which we have discussed before. In addition, if the RSI drops below the 30, price is under the condition of oversold. Normally, it is always shown near the low points in the primary trend, and it can be regarded as the hint to call. However, we need to be more cautious since this signal can be white noise without reliable reversal market signals. Last, typically, the trend of RSI looks like the primary trend. However, with certain conditions, the trend of RSI will move into different directions. It is extremely important since this phenomenon is called the divergence between the prices and RSIs, and the trend will, to a great extent, switch. It is because that the speed of price has decreased. This slide will discuss how to apply Relative Strength Index to the KuCoin trading interface. Let's look at the popular trading pair Luna versus USDT. As Luna 2.0 was listed not long ago, so let's look at the 30-minute trading period. First, you need to find the indicators button, and you will find the button called Momentum on the left side of this panel. And you click the Relative Strength Index on the right side. As I mentioned before, you have to edit the format of this RSI indicator, and voila, you will see two dotted lines in the RSI chart, and the time frame of this chart is 14. So let's take a part of this trend, and the price goes down when the trend of RSI drops. If the RSI falls below 30, the price will drop, which is a suitable point to enter the market. In contrast, if the RSI increases above the 70, the price shoots high, suitable to short. In addition, when we take a glance at the low point, and you will find that the RSI start to increase when the price was still at a low level. This phenomenon is divergence between the price and RSI. Normally, we enter the market near this RSI signal. Before we end this video, let us briefly recap several key points we have discussed today. We discovered three main topics. Firstly, RSI is a hint to predict market sentiment and some extreme cases. In addition, we have known that RSI can predict several reversal market signals by overbought, oversold, and the divergence between the prices and RSI itself. Last, we can use our KuCoin trading interface to trade by using RSI indicator. That is all for today's video. If you have some questions about this content, please give some comments through YouTube, Twitter, or Telegram. In the next session, we will talk about another RSI indicator called stochastic RSI. Happy learning and happy trading with KuCoin. Bye!